Friend, how are you? I hope you are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today our video based on revision. So, today is your test. So student, firstly I would like to inform you that after completing your test, you must have to click on the submit button to submit your test paper. So student, uh, so today is your test of chapter 17, know your body parts, and chapter 18, gymnastics, and also the chapter 19, helpful doctors. So student, let's see the revision of that chapter. First one is chapter 17, know your body parts. Human body is a wonderful machine. Read the amazing facts about the human body and see the answer of this. First one is, it is the only living tissue in the human body that does not contain any blood vessels. That is cornea. That is cornea. It is the longest and strongest bone in the body. That is femur. Of all the oxygen that a human breathes, 20% goes to this part. This part is brain. It is the smallest bone in the human body, which is located in the ear. That is stapes. 50% of the bacteria in the mouth live on it. That is tongue. This part is tongue. This part and ears never stop growing throughout our life. This part name is nose. It beats approx 103,680 times, taking 72 beats per minute in one day. This part is heart. It is the hardest substance in the human body. That is navel. It is the fastest growing tissue in the human body next to the bone marrow. That part is hair. So student, let's see the revision of chapter 18, gymnastics. Chapter 18, gymnastics. Gymnastics is a systematic form of physical exercises designed for educational and competitive purposes. The learner masters tactics that involve strength, rhythm, balance, and flexibility. So recognize the name of the following exercises. First exercise's description is that a routine of balance like movements with acrobatic skills performed without apparatus on a 12-meter square mat. That exercise is floor exercise. A routine, next one is a routine performed on a leather covered apparatus in the center of which are inserted two wooden pommels or handles. This exercise is pommel horse. Third one is a routine in which the apparatus without pommels or handles is approached lengthwise. That is vaulting horse. And the fourth one is a routine performed on two flexible parallel wooden rails with a series of jumping moves, balancing changes in grip. That exercise is parallel bars. A routine performed on a single steel bar suspended 2.8 meter above the floor mat and requires continuous surfing and vaulting motion around the bar with frequent change in direction and grip. That is exercise is horizontal bar. Last one is a routine performed while grasping one alloy ring in each hand with the ring suspended from straps and hung parallel to each other 2.8 meter above the mat. That is ring. So students, let's see the revision of the chapter 19, helpful doctors. Chapter 19, helpful doctors. When we are sick, we consult a doctor and the doctor diagnoses our diseases and prescribes the medicines to us. We get cured by the doctor's treatment. So for special diseases, we consult specialist doctors. is this specialist concerns with the prevention and treatment of children diseases. So this specialist called pediatrician. So student, fifth one is this specialist cures nervous disorders. This specialist called neurologist. And the sixth one is this specialist treats the disorder and diseases of the teeth. That is dentist. Seventh one is this specialist specializes in treatment of heart disorders. This specialist called cardiologist. And the eighth one is this specialist identifies the cause of disease by studying blood samples, urine, etc. in a laboratory. This specialist is called pathologist. And the last one is this specialist treats our skin diseases. This is dermatologist. In this video, we have revised the chapter 16, Know Your Body Parts, and the chapter 18, Gymnastics, and the chapter 19, Helpful Doctors. So student, watch this video perfectly and give your test with full honesty, and all the best for your test. Thank you.